Hi there, Mike Brady with Generosity Wealth Management, a comprehensive, full-service financial services firm headquartered here in Boulder, Colorado. I'm usually in a button-down shirt and a blue blazer, but you know what? It's hot outside here in Boulder. No clients are going to see me today, so I figured, what the heck? The only people, we'll keep it our little secret that I didn't dress up today. So I wanted to first explain what a carry trade is, which many pundits, including me and analysts like me, attribute some of the sharp decline, especially in Japan, over that Friday and that Monday when the market really tanked. I'm recording this on Wednesday, August 7th, so I'm not quite sure how it all has played out, but it's starting to recover. And so whether that recovery has continued by the time you watch this video, we'll have to see. But let's get back to what the carry trade is. The carry trade is any kind of an arbitrage. I mean, frankly, from a concept point of view, if you have a mortgage on your house at 3% and you invest money in investments hoping to make 6%, let's say, that's a 3% carry trade because you're borrowing in low and you're investing it high. Well, currencies are no different. For years, since the late 1990s, Japan has had very low borrowing rates, interest rates, near zero. And so investors would borrow in Japan, buy the currency in another country, and then invest in some kind of a fixed instrument in that particular country. So it's really the difference between the two. With the United States now making talk about reducing rates, okay, and then Japan increasing rates, we're getting squeezed. They are getting squeezed. Those people who do a speculative trade, like like a short-term carry trade with currencies. So that's a lot of what has happened over that Friday and the money and the huge decline, kind of the unraveling of that particular trade. Once that's unraveled, we get back to business as usual. I think one of the things to keep in mind is that we're investors, not traders. I mean, at least my clients are. We're investors with time horizons that are not days, weeks, or months, but they're years. And that could be 2 years, 3 years, five plus years. And so these blips happen. I mean, the most recent one of this magnitude happened in March of 2022. I think it was March. Don't hold me to that, but it was in the year 2022. And that was 2 years ago. And things have gone up quite nicely since then. Okay, 2023 and the unmanaged stock market indexes was positive, and so far in 2024, the unmanaged indexes are positive as well. So let's not extrapolate a short-term event into long-term action or even decisions. What we can do as investors is keep our eye on the things that probably have the biggest impact on reaching our goals, and accomplishing our plan to get there. Of course, it's taxes. I mean, frankly, I think that that's one of the best things that someone can do that's clearly identifiable, and look for ways to lower your taxes. That's most people's single biggest expense. And to that end, I have great new software called FP Alpha, which you, of course, should talk with me about so that we can do some kind of a tax analysis so you can have a good conversation with your CPA. Like maybe identify some areas to talk with your CPA about. Second thing is making sure you have that plan. I have new software, Right Capital, which I love, and so many clients have I've already moved them over to that new software and met with you about it. But if you are feeling that now is the time to update things, give me a call, give me an email. The kind of the third thing is estate planning. I mean, so many people don't have estate planning. That is, of course, what happens with all your assets when you pass away, but also while you're living, who makes medical decisions for you, who would have end of life decisions, but also financial powers of attorney. So with all that package, give me a call because I have a new planning for that as well, and a way to help you get that done with an attorney or with even a service that I have that I'm able to open up, a portal, an account for you so that you can do some of that stuff online. So anyway, those are the things I believe we should be focused on. It's our duration, it's our long-term investments, but of course it's our taxes, our planning, and our estate planning. And those are the things that are probably going to have, in my opinion, the biggest impact on your life, not the impact of a carry trade or the impact of a couple of days of decline. Michael Brady, Generosity Wealth Management, 303-747-6455. One thing before I leave, I did want to remind you, if your situation has changed and I'm not aware of it, your financial situation, your family situation, I mean, I'm in constant contact with my existing clients, but we want to make sure that our beneficiaries on IRAs, retirement accounts, life insurance, all of those things are up to date. So if you have any concern or you don't know what they are, give me an email, give me a call, and we'll get that for you. But that is absolutely essential to continually ensure that the beneficiaries are what you want. And the reason why I say that is I had a situation in the last couple of weeks where the beneficiaries of a client were inconsistent with what their desire was. And fortunately, we caught it, of course, before there was any kind of a problem. So I want you to be well taken care of too. If you're my client, or you're not, I still care about you and the control and the desire that you have your money go to who you want when you pass on. Anyway, Mike Brady, 303-747-6455. Thanks. Bye-bye.